Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something every printer owner should know, the printer driver. And at the end, I'll share how PrinterFix support can help you solve any printer-related issue quickly and easily. Printer driver explained, what it is, why you need it, and how to install. Your printer is fine, but why won't it print? The secret might be the printer driver. Let's understand what it is and why it's so important. What is a printer driver? A small software program that acts as a translator between your computer and your printer. Converts your document into a language the printer understands. Why is it important? Without it, your printer can't follow your computer's commands. Ensures proper printing quality, paper size, and special features like duplex printing. How does it work? Step by step. You click Print. Driver converts the file into printer-friendly format. Sends instructions to the printer hardware. Printer executes the job. Types of printer drivers. Manufacturer-specific drivers, from HP, Canon, Epson, etc. Universal drivers work with multiple models but may have fewer features. How to install a printer driver. From manufacturer's official website. Using the printer's CD/DVD, older models. Automatic installation via Windows/Mac OS updates. Common issues and fixes. Printer not detected, reinstall update driver. Wrong print quality, check driver settings. Paper size mismatch, adjust in driver preferences. Best practices. Always download from official sources. Keep your driver updated for better performance and security. Uninstall old drivers if changing printer models. Outro/call to action. Now you know how important printer drivers are. If this helped, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more tech tips. Contact and more info. For more information, visit printerfix.support. Call us, +1 877 595 9194, USA, +44 786 877 9283, UK.